Hello, bubblers. Today, let's look into country, date, and time by Ritz7 plugin. We have added a lot of functionality, including country information, live currency exchange, combined date and time in words, week and month info, fetching working days info, adding working days, get time slots from available slots, excluding busy slots, right? So let's look into each one of them one by one. So, firstly, we can fetch country info like country name, country capital, continent, ISD code, currency, time zone, and country code. We take one information as input and provide all of this as output. So, for example, country code, I can give IN and I can get all the other details, right? Country name is India, capital city New Delhi, continent Asia, ISD code is 91, currency is INR, time zone Asia, Kolkata or Asia, Kolkata. Country code is what we have given, right? So likewise, I can give um, the country name and I'll fetch all of this information from here. Similarly, we'll get all the details. We can also get all of these details using time zone. Okay, right now I've added a element from our own plugin, which is time zone. I've added it here, and this fetches current user's time zone. And as we can see, we have got the time zone here. I can give this as input to the plugin to fetch all the other details, or I can provide this manually as well. Okay, so let me click on this. We're getting all the information, right? Apart from the time zone, because that itself is the input. Now, we can use this element to fetch the user's time zone in textual format. Because within Bubble, we cannot fetch the current user's time zone. We can use it, right? We can use current user's time zone. We can make static choice here. We can make the dynamic choice, which needs to be stored somewhere, right? But we cannot fetch the time zone from the user within Bubble. And our plugin allows you to do that. And that time zone can be used with Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar or any other APIs which requires time zone, right? You can fetch it directly with the element, and with that you can fetch all the other details. So in short, without asking the user to input anything, you can fetch the country name, the capital city, the continent, ISD code, currency, time zone, and the country code. This can be used in many ways for many applications. Now, not only this, but if a particular country has multiple time zones or if they have multiple currencies, our plugin will fetch all of those information. For example, if I go to US, they have multiple time zones and it will show us all the time zones available in the country. You see, we've got all the time zones. Let me go to the name and say Canada. So you have so many time zones with one currency here. This is how we can fetch the country information using three of the methods that we have provided, right? And three of them are named as, all of these are actions. You have country info by country code, you have country info by country name, and country info by time zone. And all of this works from server side as well. That means you can run it from backend workflow if at all required. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more information about our new plugins and updates. Have a nice day.